Good morning everyone and Assalamu alaikum. We are here in the beautiful mother city. As you can see, there's the sun shining beautifully. We are here with first our man Zubayr.
No, you're the lieutenant.
Lieutenant and his deputy. His deputy.
Why are you here, Mangalisa?
We are here because we have been instructed, in fact we have been asked by UCT to come and remove the bees that are in the garden.
Perfect location for the bees. River, trees, forage.
Nice and warm.
Nice and warm. Nice and warm, laddie. Yo, it's too much.
That's still a little, but okay, there will be a lot.
There we go. Nice.
There you go.
Lead right. Beautiful hive in a tree trunk. Yeah, that's fine. I want the second one, not that first one.
Okay.
Actually, that's the first one. Yeah.
Rather not give me the smoker, sorry. Say you want to fry. There's the camera. Shot these.
Smile with the camera, Zane.
What continent does it look at? Nice bees here. Can you manage to hold it up? Copy that, copy that. Just turn it a little bit. Can they see? Can you get a nice?
Got a nice view.
I can put the box. No, I just want to give it a what you call it.
Yeah. How do you want to do it?
I was actually gonna. Wait. Hey. Is that all? Let me see. That is a alhamdulillah. Mooi. Well done, Zubayr. Well done.
Yeah.
Please.
Where is she in there?
Oh, is it?
Big bump.
Come closer. You can come. Okay. Let him go. You.
This is a ball.
That's it.
Just there.
Can you bring it closer?
Yeah. Let me just move that camera quickly. You want me to capture a last shot there? Or... Oh yeah? Yeah, go. Queen in club, bees on box, job done. Job done. They are busy inside here, but they'll move over eventually. Still early, it's very early. We don't want to put most one of those queen guards on now. Only later most.
Oh yeah, only when we release her.
Yeah.
Do we? But I don't know. I don't like it stuff.
I also don't like. Look, it keeps the drones out. The other day, the one at UCT done there, so you can see a drone, but then they blocked the entrance also.
Yeah.
But the others were making their way through. So
There's no go.